On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now, I feel amazing, I'm out of their range. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't give them no time, that's how we stay up.
How we up, but you stay down. Real nigga from the app, better pay out. Spending time wind down with his takeout. And when I'm in them walls, you feel it in your bones. I've been on the road, this choke that I hold on your soul got me making up for days out. Got you singing tones till you laid out. It feel like what we on never fade out.
I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby say please and thank you cause your lover stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. Show a little appreciation cause your lover stayed. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Niggas clout chasing, they all lames. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah. Told him that I give him life, he said, right. Now we can't leave from my side, oh my God.
You know I ain't chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'ma never change my way. As long as I'm hitting it right and treating you right. You never leaving my side, you in for the ride.
Only for love, why your exes can't get enough. Man. They trying in line, they down on their luck. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't pay them no mind, that's how we stay up. Niggas DM, don't know where to leave it. I post a pic, they comments be tweaking. Usually won't, but sometimes I read them. Leave them on red, I swear I can't please them all. But when it comes to you, I know how to handle that, boss. Even stay faithful while you was doing me wrong. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby say please and thank you cause your lover stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. So put that on me for my baby cause I always stay. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Niggas clout chasing, they all lames. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah. Told him that I give him life, he said, right. Now we can't leave from my side, oh my God.
You know I ain't chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'ma never change my way. As long as I'm hitting it right and treating you right. You never leaving my side, you in for the ride.
Hard to get, tease me boy, I'm a Mr. Fred. Flirt, work for bread. So coy, take it slow to lead. Hurts, seductive when you look at me that way. Irresistible but I try. Hypnotic, making you wait, so erotic. Perks, and I want you to want me, yeah. I want you to crave me. As tension is building, yeah, and driving us crazy. Powerful sex appeal, but we play it cool. Touch, push and pull, that friction, so sensual touch. Draw me in when you handle me that way. Where you've been all my life, just play by the rules. Baby, hold out until it's too much. And I want you to want me, yeah. I want you to crave me. As tension is building, yeah. And driving us crazy. Alone,
y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. As you guys can see, this is yet another wig that you can wear multiple ways, honey, and it is a 360, and you ain't got to worry about the back, honey, because they got them drawstrings there, baby. They did their big one. But let me get into the details and specs about this unit so you guys can get all the tea. All right, so now they did send me this. It says newborn hairline, invisible strap, not newborn, not the newborn hairline, invisible strap, 360 lace kinky straight wig with 20 inches. Child, I see what y'all did there. It's not baby hairline, okay? This is not baby hair. It's newborn, okay? I'm weak. All right, y'all. So the main selling points of this unit is it's pre-cut. You guys saw that. It is pre-bleached. You guys saw that. It is pre-plucked. You guys saw that. Pre-ear shape. You got, and y'all know Chrissy got some yales, okay? So if a wig, hold on, child, my hair caught up in that side. If a wig can go over these, baby, yes, you saw that, okay? It says can be worn glueless. Pre-ear shape means it's custom fit, designed based on the shape of the ear, allowing for wear without the need of trimming. And they did not lie, baby, okay? They did not lie. They did not come to play. Honey, I hope my wig ain't slipping back. It's hiding here. It says easy to fit any head size by just pulling or releasing the drawstring. Backs and 360-degree support, versatile styling options, including high ponytails and updos. And baby, I gave you both, okay? I gave you a ponytail and I gave you a little wraparound ball, okay? So let me go on their site and give you guys some more details and specs. Y'all, I feel like my video is jinxed today. I don't know what's going on, but baby, it don't want me to be great, honey. First, it was my memory card. Child had lipstick on my teeth, so I'm paranoid. Don't mind me. Carry on. Then it was my lace deciding it wanted to go back here because I'm sweating. And just now I had lipstick all over my teeth. And see, y'all be talking about me for looking in the mirror, but it's a reason I be looking over there. It's a reason, okay? But anyways, y'all. On their site, it says glueless newborn hairline, invisible strap, 360 skin lace frontal kinky straight wig, pre-everything natural look human hair wig. Baby, that's a mouthful. Now this unit does come in 180% density and 250. Just look over here to the side or wherever I put it. Just look over there and you will see like what density I have, because I'm not sure. I want to say it's 180, but with kinky straight hair, it's so thick. The 180 can give 200, okay? So just look over there, and you can get this unit pre-cut if you want to. If you don't, you don't have to. You have that option. And it is available in 14 to 34 inches, all being not glueless, child. I got glueless on the brain, all being even numbered. So it is transparent lace. It is a 360 lace frontal. The circumference of this unit is 18 inches to 23.5. It said fit all heads, honey. Okay, I ain't never seen that before, but that's what they got on here. It fit all heads. The color is natural black. It can be middle part, side part, seed part, free part, any part you really want, baby.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, rams, you name it!
Okay, you can do any part. And then it's 100% human hair. So those are all of their details and specs. Now I do want to go ahead and talk about like my details and specs. It does come with this like super natural hairline. What they say, honey, newborn hairline. But anyway, so I did decide to use my straightening comb because I wanted it to kind of blend and give more of a natural look versus, you know, how it comes straight out of the packaging. I think that's what we all should do. I think it looks more natural when we do that. That's just my opinion, baby. It's your hair. Do what you want to do, how you want to do it, okay? I do want to also say I did decide to wand curl this unit, and the curls held up really good. I did spray it with some holding spray. And yeah, like I said, they held up pretty good, and I've done a lot to this hair, putting it up in a ponytail, then putting it in a ball. Now I did have to curl this like 2 strands on this side, and these 2, but that was pretty much it. So it does hold a curl, which is good, because sometimes I can get kinky straight units, and baby, they feel like they don't need to be nothing but kinky straight. Like they don't want to be nothing else but kinky straight, okay? So with this unit, I feel like it does well whether you're wearing it straight or if you curl it up, and I love that for me because I do prefer to wear, well, not all the time, but I do love a good like kinky straight unit that I curl up. Like it just gives me my grandma, RIP, and it gives me my cousin Ashley. So I really like that overall look. So yeah, as far as it being big head friendly, baby, like they said, I believe it can fit all heads, okay? All heads. I don't think anybody will have any issue with this unit fitting, because they do have those drawstrings that I have shown you, and they actually, so it's some more in here. Baby, I don't know how I would put it in there because I'm not very handy, but we gonna figure it out. So yeah, they did give that, and they did give the wig tape, so I did use it over here. But like I said, I'm sweating so hard, baby, like it's lifting. It's lifting, but it's okay. It's okay. You can use adhesive on this unit if you are worried about sweating and lifting and all that stuff. You can use adhesive, or you can make it super tight, baby. I don't really like a super tight wig. I don't. It makes my head hurt. So I don't really do that, but you can if you can, you know, if it doesn't make your head hurt. Everybody's different. So yeah, as far as shedding and tangling, I did not receive any of that prior to putting my holding spray on there, but once I put the holding spray on, it did, it was a little hard to like pull apart, but that was to be expected, because after I put the holding spray on, baby, I wasn't supposed to be doing any of that, and I was doing it, so that was to be expected. That was it was for that, okay? It was for to keep the curl in place, and then I'm trying to pull it apart. But straight out of packaging, I did not receive no shedding, no tangling, none of the things. That's not to say, oh girl won't do it at some point. Just the straight out of packaging, she is not. Y'all, I'm not wearing this lipstick for now of the video. Anyways, y'all, if y'all interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so let's start with my cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note. Baby, let me go ahead and tell you I ain't got now. Moving on. Now, my pros are endless. I love the texture. You guys know I live for a good kinky straight wig. I love the hairline. I love the drawstring. I love how it holds a curl. I love the fact that it's beginner friendly. I love the fact that the combs are removable. Baby, it ain't nothing, and I can go on and on, basically, okay? But I ain't got all day, honey. These children of mine ready to get in these stories. So, I ain't got all day, but baby, I can go on and on. Y'all tell me what some of y'all pros are down below. Now, girl, you know I would recommend this wig. I ain't even have a con. Moving on. Alright, y'all, so let's do this for a 360, because even though I did a 360, I didn't give you a lint check. So let's do that, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, y'all, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. And another thing, honestly, y'all, this is very long hair. Like, even if you want to get it in a shorter length, like, I'm only 5'4" and stretched out. Babe, I don't want to mess up my curls. Stretched out, that comes to me here, okay? So be mindful of that as well, because baby, I think they're giving us some extra length. Shout out to you, Ashimary. I appreciate you, baby. I appreciate you. Alright, y'all. So if y'all like this unit, sound down below in the comments. Let me know if you are feeling this wig as much as I am. I am interested in your thoughts, your opinions, all the things. Sound off down below in the comments. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, once again, shout out to you, Ashimary. I don't never say your name right, child. Child, somebody tell me how to say it. Y'all know I'm country. But shout out to y'all for always coming through with the come through. Like, I love your company. Like, when I be recommending this wig to people, like, out in the streets or at my job, I be like, hold on, baby, let me spell it for you, because I don't want to sound crazy. But I love your company. Shout out to you, boo. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or I may have left out, something that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss D on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Looks your love completely. Got every style and weekly. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty.